This
different.
conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, today's date.
Yeah.
You say advanced planning?
Yeah, correct. So you
Advanced.
can, yeah.
Advanced planning. What is O stand for?
Whoa.
APO, right?
Okay. No, that is APO. Actually, I will tell you. This is the word advanced planning is there in S for HANA. Okay, this is a word in S for HANA,
Mm,
but APO is another system. Okay, its name is Advanced Planning and Optimizer.
optimizer. Yeah, that's different.
Planning and, yeah, optimizer. Okay, this is another system. Okay, but we will see what is advanced planning and everything. Okay, before advanced planning, we will see what is a APO. Okay. APO is actually the another system like your ECC system. SRM, CRM are the different systems. Like that, APO is a different system. Okay, in that system,
Excuse me.
yeah, uh,
I'm sorry, please go ahead.
okay. So, like ECC, you have a different modules like PP, FICO, QM, PM, all these modules. Okay, like that, APO system is also having the different modules like DP, SNP, DS, GATP, EWM, EM. These are the different modules. DP means demand planning. SNP means supply network planning. And PPDS production planning and detailed scheduling. GATP means global availability to promise. It's called global ATP. W means warehouse management enhanced. EM means event management.
Is this advanced
These
planning?
are
Is
the different modules.
yeah? Is the advanced
Yeah,
planning is a part of production plan?
yeah, I'm coming to that actually.
I see. Okay.
Okay,
Mhm.
yeah, okay. These are the different modules in APO. Now, SAP, what they did is
Mhm.
they want to scrap this APO system. Scrap means they don't want to use this APO system
Mhm.
after 2025.
I see.
Okay, they have come up because of the technology changes and everything. They don't want to use this APO system after 2025. So
I
then
see.
what they did is all these modules they are they are adding into S4.
Mhm.
Okay, all these modules they are adding into S4 system
Mhm.
and other system also. Okay, for example, these DP and SNP modules they have adding this into another module called IBP. This is another cloud based.
Mhm.
IBP is a cloud based.
Mhm.
So these two modules they are adding into cloud. Okay, this is also cloud. Now PPDS, they this module they bring into S4 HANA because this is more related to PP module.
Mhm.
Okay, and GATP also S4 HANA and EWM also S4 HANA. This event management is also in S4 HANA. Okay. So these modules they adding into S4 system. Now this S4 HANA PPDS is nothing but advanced planning in S4 HANA. Advanced planning is nothing but a APO PPDS module. Okay. Now, what is the relation between these two? Okay. What is the relation between your PPDS and PP? Okay. This APO system itself is a advanced planning. Advanced means it is more advanced than your ECC system. Advanced in the sense adding features. Okay. For example, you have the phone iPhone. iPhone 6 is there. Now in the market you have the iPhone X. So what is the difference means? Both are using for phone calling and internet browsing only. But iPhone X is more advanced than your iPhone 6. Correct? So like that, this PPDS module is more advanced. Advanced in the sense of features than your ECC PP.
But PPDS don't have. Is the PPDS is cover this all means GATP, EWM, and all this stuff?
No. All these are the different modules.
Okay.
In S4 HANA, this GATP is called a different module, AATP. Okay, EWM is called S4 HANA EWM only. And event management in S4 is TM, transport management. These are the S4 system only, but different modules.
I see.
Okay. S4 system only, but different modules.
So is the APO or the advanced planning that's part of production planning?
Yeah.
I see.
Okay. This S4 PPDS is now it is calling as advanced planning,
Advanced
and I if you want to implement this one, it is like implementing another module.
I see.
Okay, it is not actually included to your PP module, but if you want to use these features, you need to implement as a different module.
I see.
Okay, so now
Sorry,
what?
are you talking about PPDS? PPDS, it is
Correct.
another model. Yes?
Another module. Correct.
Oh, but it is a very small model, PPDS. Is that right?
Not
Yeah.
very small actually. It is having it's like a PP module. It is having all these processes. Not a small module actually, but not
Uh,
big as PP module.
yeah. So PP now, PP has all this model, almost all this functionality of PPDS, we can say.
Yeah, it is having, but with a different name, advanced planning.
Okay. Okay.
Like you can see, you have a business processes, correct? Discrete,
Mm.
PPPI, repetitive, like that. You
Yeah.
have another module, sub module, you can say, that is called advanced planning.
Yeah.
Okay, I can show you in the path actually. Logistics, yeah, you can see production,
Mm-hmm.
production process, and you have advanced planning. This is nothing but your APO, PPDS.
I see.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the all functionalities of PPDS they put it into here in this folder, advanced planning.
I see.
Okay,
Oh, only I was actually looking the course events when you when we started the classes long time ago.
Hmm.
So there was a course that you sent it to us by the
Correct.
email, and then I was looking all over. Then I did not find advanced planning, so that's why I was like very confused where it comes from.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this is what is advanced planning actually. Okay.
What was the previous screen that you have? I did not see.
That is a course content actually. You are telling about something course, so I opened the course. In this
Oh,
course content, you can see at the end actually the topic.
yeah.
Oh, sorry, not this one. We can show you can see overview of on
Audio
advanced
advanced
plan.
one. I see.
Okay, this is nothing but APO PPDS.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
now what are the features you feel than your ECC? We will see now. Okay, so this advanced planning actually the two parts,
Mhm.
part one and part two. Okay, that means you can see the module PPDS. Actually, PPDS is a two parts. One is PP means production planning. DS means detailed scheduling. Okay,
Mhm.
this advanced planning is a two parts. One is a production planning and detailed scheduling. Okay, now what is this two means in PP is these two is nothing but a production planning is nothing but your MRP. Detailed scheduling is nothing but your capacity planning. Okay, these two they have enhanced, added the some advanced features, and they put it into a different module. Okay,
But the functionalities are same, but they only advance more. They
correct,
advance it more. Yes. I
correct.
see. Okay.
The purpose is like MRP. What MRP will do when you run the MRP based on the requirements, it will generate purchase order, purchase requisition, or planned order. Correct. So this production planning also will create the same thing, planned order or purchase requisition, but it will use the different programs, functionalities to generate the planned orders. Means functionalities and programs means calculation, different calculations it will do. Okay, and in the capacity planning, it will do the additional features.
I see.
Okay, than normal. For example, capacity planning. What we are doing in the capacity planning, we are doing sequencing of orders.
Right.
Sequencing means where our warload is there, you are moving manually to another day or something. Correct?
Yeah.
But in detail scheduling, that you can do automatically. You can execute one program and system will automatically schedule, means sequence the orders. That is advanced. In your normal capacity planning, you cannot run any program. You need to just drag and drop to make them as a sequence. Correct? But detailed scheduling will have the programs where you can add, means you can do the sequencing automatically. Okay. So now, what are the main features of these PPDS? One is problem solvers. Problem solvers are, this is called the heuristics. What is a problem solver? Problem solver means in your planning you have a problem. like lot size is not calculating properly, or lot size is not matching to your industry. Okay, you can develop your own lot size, or you can develop your own program, and you can use that program while doing the planning. And this heuristic is the word. Actually, this word heuristic is nothing but a one function module. It is nothing but a program. So SAP has given different programs. You can use them as per your industry. Okay, these heuristics is like, if you go to the configuration, actually I can show you SPRO. Basic difference is, you should remember, basic is advanced planning is nothing but a PPDS. It is nothing but your normal MRP and capacity planning. These two they have enhanced into production planning and detailed scheduling. That is a basic concept. So in this PPDS, what are we have is like, one is heuristic. Okay. Second thing is like heuristics, same heuristics only for sequencing of orders. Sequencing of orders automatically. Okay. These sequencing of order you can do automatically using the advanced planning. That is second thing. And the third thing is like, you can do, there is a concept called optimizer. Okay. What optimizer can do is, it is cost based planning. What is cost based? I will explain you. Okay. For example, you can take on May 20th, you need to produce 3 orders. Order 1, order 2, order 3. Okay. Order 1, 2, 3. You need to produce on 20th of May. But you have a capacity. Okay. Order 1 is 50 quantity, and this is 50 quantity, and this is another maybe a 60 quantity. These are the quantities you need to manufacture. But on your mission, you have only the capacity of 100 only. You can produce 100 cars only. So which order you will move to the next day? You cannot produce 3 orders on this date. So
Right.
which order you want to move to the next day?
60 and 50.
How you are deciding that?
The first one, the second one only.
Are both 250 because they need 100?
Yeah.
The third one should be out, no? Third one should be moved to the next month.
No, both on
No,
on my.
you see, I will move this to a second order to the next day, and this order I will manufacture 50 today and 10 tomorrow. No problem.
Right.
Correct? But which one you want to move as a planner? How you will decide?
But there is a strategy, no?
50.
There is some strategy.
First two order will be first two order on my 20.
Okay,
Cover
3
the 100.
orders. You need to deliver all these 3 orders on the 20th only.
I see. Okay.
3 orders, 3 customers. They want everybody on 20th.
Oh, okay.
But you have the capacity is 100 only. How you will move that? Now, in these cases,
Can you change the capacity? Do you have the possibility to change the capacity
no,
and see to make it?
I have only 100. No
Okay.
capacity.
So we
Capacity is
don't
only
deliver 3.
Yeah. So some clients, some business, they will have the concept called penalty cost.
Yeah.
What is a penalty cost means? A customer required on May 20th. If you are not deliver on that time, you need to pay some penalty.
Yeah.
That will be there for every business, critical products and critical customers. These things will be there. Okay. So you need to check how much is the penalty.
Now, who will
Yeah.
pay the penalty cost?
Yeah, paying
Manufacturer?
penalty cost means manufacturer,
Uh,
he has to pay the penalty.
I see. Okay.
It is nothing but like 50 quantity, it is $1,000. Okay, $1,000 is for 50 quantity. Penalty is around 50 if you not delivered today. So that means in place of 1,000 you will get only 950 only because you are not delivered on time. $50 they deducted as your penalty, and as a manufacturer you will get 950 only in place of 1,000. Okay, it is a loss for you. So now these customer wise or material wise you will have some penalty cost. For example, this order is having the $10, and this order is having the $20, and this order is having the $10. Assume that. Okay, based on different customers you have the penalty cost. Now you tell me which order you will produce on 20th and which order you will move to the next day.
I will move the 60 to the next day. I will take the first one and the second one because the second one, it has penalty 20 high. So I have to take the
Yeah,
first one, the order 2. Then I will
Yes.
take the order 1. Then I will take the
correct.
order 3.
Other one and
Exactly.
other last one.
This is what I mean by strategy. There is a strategy, but here it's not strategy.
No,
It's,
no,
I found out it's
there is no
penalty.
strategy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
there is
yeah,
no
yeah, yeah,
strategy actually. Okay,
yeah,
now you will produce these two because this is high penalty. You will produce on 20th only. Okay, and
yeah,
either you can take this order or this order on 20th, no issue. Okay, you can say
yeah.
you can take this is order, you can take on May 20th, and you can move this to next day.
Okay.
Okay, so you have the three orders and you can compare the penalty and you can do, but every day who will do this one? You cannot do. Some system has to calculate this based on the penalty cost. Okay, this you can achieve by using the optimizer.
This
System
whole
will do the
this whole process,
correct,
optimizer will do it.
correct,
I see.
because every day you cannot do. If it is one or two orders you can do, but if every day hundreds of orders you will have, so who will do that? Sequencing based on the penalty cost and everything, you cannot do. So you need the program or system to sequence the orders based on the some penalty cost. So that optimizer will do. Okay. So wherever you are getting the least penalty, so that it will try to schedule faster. Sorry,
So following the penalty,
later.
he schedule only following the penalty, Mr. Wasu. Only following the penalty, they put the priority.
No, you have a different things like setup cost.
Yeah,
Okay, another parameter like this penalty cost. Okay,
yeah,
third thing is like you will have a total production time.
yeah. So
Okay,
there is a lot of factors will be
yeah,
in
not lot of
in
5 6 factors are there. So
yeah,
system will try to check all these 5 factors, and wherever it is coming minimum, so that solution it will find.
correct.
Okay, this optimizer feature is not there in your normal PP, your normal capacity planning. This optimizer feature is not there. So if you want to implement this optimizer feature, you need to go for advanced planning. you cannot do with normal PP. That is the meaning of advanced planning.
But advanced planning is already in the ECC 6 and S4 HANA, right?
No, it is not there in ECC 6.
Only S4 HANA.
Yeah,
APO,
it came
APO.
into, yeah.
Yeah.
ECC 6 means that is in APO, separate system. But when it come, they developed S4 HANA, they brought that this module into S4 HANA.
Advanced.
Yeah, correct.
Now, for example, if let's say I got one employer, he give me a job, and
Okay.
I work on advanced planning.
Yeah.
And when I start the job, he don't have S4 HANA, but he has a ECC 6. So can I work on APO even I did not practice on APO? I practice on advanced planning.
Yes, obviously you can work on APO.
I see.
If you know this, because both are same modules only, but they brought this into the S4 HANA, they changed the name actually.
I
But the
see.
concepts, everything, both are same.
And the transaction codes are both has the same.
Yes, transaction codes, everything is same only.
I see.
Okay,
Okay.
but they reduced some master data maintenance actually. They reduced the master data maintenance. Master data maintenance means in old system like ECC and APO, you need to transfer master data from ECC to APO because APO is a different system. You need to transfer that. Okay. To transfer that, we used to use a SIF core interface. Okay. Now, yeah, this module is included in one box, so you don't require to transfer the data because in the same system you have this. So you don't require 95% of SIF is not required. Means you don't require to transfer the data. Okay, because both are in the same system. That is a simplified.
I see.
Okay, and actually in material master, actually I am searching for that view. If advanced planning is there in MM01, you will get one more tab actually. Tab
Oh,
means,
yeah.
yeah, in the material master itself,
PPDS.
yeah, not PPDS, name will come as advanced planning actually. I am searching for that actually tab. Okay,
Maybe they remove
before,
it.
yeah, before more
Hmm.
work scheduling. So here advanced planning one tab will come. So I'm
Yeah.
searching for that one only. I want to show that tab actually.
Maybe
So
if you manufacture different product, maybe it will come, or different industry sector.
no, okay.
No?
Let
Okay.
me see
No.
that is also. Let me see. So you mean to say don't say no. So go to the MM01. Maybe somebody is removed actually. I'm checking
Yes,
that.
I believe so. Yeah.
Okay.
Is
I'm putting
the
chemical industry.
industry? Oh, okay.
You can see it is not coming. Even chemical
Hmm.
industries. So let me once again see views. Where is the views actually? SPRO. These are screens. We can select and deselect these some screens. Correct? Did you remember, Nicholas?
Yeah. Yeah.
Material master. You can configure the material master. Define structure of
Yeah.
screens for each screen
Yes. Yes.
sequence.
Yeah.
Is this one? Actually, no. Okay. Let me select industry sequence. Data. Yeah.
I don't see it yet. Yeah.
Just on. Actually, that screen should come here. Actually, come on. Morning, I'm checking for that one only. I did not find where is that. Okay, but one more tab will come actually. Okay, there we will maintain the settings related to advanced planning. Okay, and one more thing. Let me see.
Maybe you can find in Fioria.
Yeah, one more thing. In work center also, there is a one you can see checkbox.
Ah,
If the
yes.
checkbox is there means
Mhm.
this work center is related to your advanced planning, not for normal planning. This is only the tick mark. In old version means APO system, you need to transfer this work center to APO. Now you don't require to transfer anywhere. Only just activate this button, checkbox. That means it is related to your advanced plan.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Same thing like you will have a one more tab in the material master actually. That is not coming. I don't know. Okay. We are talking about the features. Okay. Now these three are the features. Along with you have another thing is called like alerts. Okay. What is alerts? Alerts means, for example, you are responsible for 5 missions. Okay. You run the planning and one of the mission is overload. Overload means one mission on a particular day, maybe 1st of June, it is overload. How do you know that on a particular day it is got overloaded? Until unless you open the capacity the capacity CM01 transaction code and check product wise or work center wise or date wise, you need to check and you need to find it is a overloaded. Okay, but if the system gives you like one message that on a particular day particular work center is overloaded, then you don't require to check all work centers. Correct? On a particular day particular work center is overloaded. If that information comes to you, you will only go to that day that work center only and try to adjust it. You don't require to verify all the 5 work centers and all days. Okay, that is called the alerts. You
I
can
see.
fix the alerts. So whenever it reaches that value, it will give you a message to you. It will give you a message in a different transaction code. Okay, so you can get the mail also. Every day you can schedule the job and you will get a mail also. So just verify that mail or alert and you will correct that one only.
Now, where the mail comes from? Where the mail come to?
Actually, this alerts is there. Okay, you will set up that alerts. You can see in the logistics, advanced planning, here monitoring. You can see alert monitoring. Here you need to configure, means set up this alert monitoring. So if you set up this alert monitoring, it will give you the alerts. Directly you can see those alerts in this screen, like on a particular day this work center is overloaded. You can see the details, or automatically you can schedule a background job to send that alerts to your mailbox also.
I see.
Okay, I don't think anything is there here. It is not configured, the system is.
It says alert profile.
Yeah, we need to create first alert profile. Okay, and then it will come.
I see.
Okay, so but this is a feature we have in advanced planning only. not in normal PP. Okay, mainly these four are the features of your advanced planning. And this advanced planning, you can see, if you see any of your business process,
No.
where is the, yeah, any business process, if you see, we are doing the planning. I will go to the main. You are doing the MRP run, you will get the planned order, production order release, and production confirmation, goods movements, everything is you did. But
Right.
advanced planning is only for the planning. You won't do any confirmations or goods receipts.
I see.
Okay, only for planning related like MRP and capacity planning, you have the advanced features, but
Yeah.
you don't have the advanced features for confirmation.
It,
Confirmation is
it is
just a confirmation.
it is just for planning, but no production,
Yeah,
no goods, no nothing.
correct,
Just planning.
correct. Only advanced features which are related to your planning only, not for your execution. Execution means real manufacturing or confirmation
Right.
of goods.
Yeah, yeah, no production or anything.
Correct, correct.
Can I ask a question, Mr. Wasu?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think in this case, if you don't have this tab related to advanced planning, we will not see scenario end to end for PPDS
Correct.
in this case.
Yes, you cannot see. You cannot see.
Oh, okay, man. Okay.
Because the product should be set as a advanced planning actually.
Yeah, maybe you
Okay.
can show us maybe where you work, the system is set it up for advanced planning. You can show us the scenario by copy screens and send us scenario how it works. Maybe only copy screen. We don't need to see your system
Mm,
if it is possible.
I will check, but I should not. Okay, I will check it. I am not sure actually. Okay.
No, you can
Screen.
create
Okay, okay.
the
Yeah,
alert.
because
We have to see.
Sorry.
I say you can create the alert, and then we can see how it works, and it's go to the email and alert and information and all this thing.
no, he
I
cannot do it
cannot
here.
show that actually.
Huh?
Yeah, he told
This
you he
system
cannot
we
do it.
cannot do. Yeah. Because that advanced planning tab is not coming in the system, Material Master.
Oh, I see.
If the
Yeah.
tab is not coming means we cannot set up
You cannot
this
run it.
advanced. Correct. Correct.
So can you work on it tomorrow and check in the system why it's not coming?
No,
And then
I checked that one. I don't know why it is not coming.
I see.
Morning also means before class also I checked that actually.
Uh-huh.
Maybe this module is not included in this box,
Yeah,
Mr. Wasu.
correct.
Maybe
It could be. Yeah.
maybe in S4 HANA some in the background some files could be sharded.
Correct. Exactly. Correct. Sometimes they have not updated some BC sets.
Right.
Okay, BC sets is there. If they are not updated those BC sets, it won't come.
So in your when you are working there, I mean, is there do you have this system in there in your in your industry?
Yeah, we have the system, but I
see.
cannot show that one because that is a company given laptop. This is my personal laptop.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
That system I cannot show.
So can you want to call this the guy who has this software that there is a problem? Can you correct it, or basis people?
No, I don't think they will correct. They don't know this advanced planning and everything.
The
Example like
basis, maybe
yeah,
the
basis
basis
all.
people they will work on it. Maybe there's
I don't
somebody
think.
short.
I don't think.
I see.
Yeah.
So here is the one more thing that I want to, because there is not a, can you do it a screenshot at your work and then you can give it to us?
I am not sure actually, that is what I'm saying, because I should not take that screenshots, because material code and everything will be there actually. Okay. I can show you how it looks like actually. Okay, yeah.
I think you can get it in a
Advanced.
YouTube.
Yeah,
YouTube, you will get it.
yeah. You can see this is the tab actually. You will get this is a material master.
Mhm.
Okay. After
Advanced.
MRP4, you can see advanced planning is another tab.
Yes, yes,
Okay, and you have this tick mark also, advanced planning.
yes, yes.
So this is the screen actually.
Mhm. Okay. So what?
Okay.
Okay, when you create the material,
Hmm.
advanced planning, and you in work, you save it. Then what will
Hmm.
be the next step after that?
Okay. Once you save, this means this material is related to your advanced planning.
Hmm.
Okay. Then you will do. You can use these features. Means whatever I told you, these features you can use.
Yeah, but when we work on these features, do we
Hmm.
have any transaction code or anything?
Yes, yes. We have the transaction codes.
So
Okay.
if you
I can
if
show
you
you the
give us
transaction codes.
if you give us a transaction code,
Yeah, yeah.
one on the first, then second, then third,
Hmm.
maybe I will find some place.
Okay. So you can see
Mhm,
below the production or production process, you have advanced planning.
mhm,
Okay. Here you can see production planning.
mhm.
Okay. And then you have, what is the first one? Heuristics. Okay. So here you can see automatic planning, and this is the transaction to run the your problem solvers or heuristics. So this is the transaction code for this. And in APO, all transactions will start with slash SAP APO. This is the transaction code. This
I
is
see.
common. Okay.
Mhm.
Slash SAP APO is a common. That is one thing. And another thing is, like, normally if you want to open the transaction code, what you enter? Like MM01 you will enter. Correct? But APO transactions, always you should start with the slash N. Without entering slash N, it won't open. For example, in the bottom, you can see slash SAP APO CDP SB0 is the transaction code. So first you need to enter slash N, then enter SAP
SAP
APO
P.
slash CDP SB0.
I see.
Press enter.
How many transaction codes are in advanced planning?
I cannot count it. I did not.
Maybe 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, no. More than that.
I
You
see.
can see, you can navigate into this path actually. Okay. So CDP. You can navigate into these transaction codes. You can see all this.
Yeah.
Okay. And the transaction codes here under interactive production planning, these are related to PP, and detail scheduling DS. This is the transaction codes. You can run this optimizer in this one. Sequencing of heuristics sequencing, you can do in this transaction code. Detail scheduling. Okay. Optimizer also you will run this using the same transaction code. Okay. And the alerts you will use the another transaction code. So that is monitoring. Under monitoring, alert monitor. So alert monitor. These are the different transaction codes. to run these features actually. Okay, and if you want, these are the actually the concept and everything is a different module. I cannot cover everything in this S4 HANA manufacturing because it is not a one-day class actually. Okay, to explain all these transaction codes, concepts, everything, it will take another 20 classes actually. It is not like a one-day class. This is only just I'm showing you how to navigate and what are the features. Okay. And if that view is there, at least I can show you some transaction codes. Otherwise, it won't come actually. Nothing will come. Okay. Any questions on this one? Advanced planning.
No, we don't have any question. We don't have any question. But just to ask you a question, in the future, if you have access to any system, you can have this scenario. I'll be more than happy to see it. Because I remember I did this training for APO. Like I'm talking about 2000. In the year 2000, I spent 3 days with SAP to do like ppds, I believe. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, here I don't think so. Within 1 hour we can cover it easy. But if you have one day the chance to any system, you can show us the scenario. I'm not asking you to see your system where you work in the company, but maybe any other server we have this possibility to look at the scenario. I'll be more than happy to see it if
Okay.
it's possible.
Yeah, because the system is not moving forward, so that's why we don't have any questions.
Okay.
And we are not forward to.
No, but you have a question. You can pose the same question I posed. Yeah.
Okay.
If he's not moving forward, then we'll not move forward. Of course, there's no
Okay.
question.
Okay.
Okay.
No problem.
Yeah. Because I cannot move forward without showing without this setup.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. We if you don't set up the article and set up everything, you cannot see anything.
Correct.
It's nice to talk, but the practice is different. Always different.
Correct.
Yeah, but Mr. Vasu, you can give us only this advanced planning only screenshots from your job and just email us.
Okay.
No, from his job he cannot do it because it is confidentiality.
I have.
No,
Yeah, correct.
I'm not saying that.
Yeah. Don't worry. I will give now.
Yeah, I'm not
I'm
saying
going
that
now.
he can log in.
No. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm showing you. You have 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm creating now material. You can see. Okay. I'm taking the half material. Okay.
Yeah.
Press enter. So now you can see for half it is coming actually.
Wow.
Oh.
I think some setting is missing. Somebody has deleted for the photo or something. Okay.
Oh.
For half it is coming.
No
I will
purchasing
show you.
only. You just add the advanced planning, right?
Yeah, correct.
And work scheduling, accounting.
Remaining everything is same. You don't require anything. Okay. This is internal. It is creating. Okay, no problem. Advanced planning. Halb
Yeah.
for advanced planning. This is a material code I am creating. So remaining everything is same actually. You don't require. Okay. So if you want to use advanced planning, first thing is you need to activate this
Yeah.
checkbox in MRP1.
Yeah.
Okay. Remind and MRP type. You should select X0.
Which one? X0.
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 Yeah.
See, these are the new functionalities.
Yeah.
Oh. Work order, MRP. Okay. Now, if you give me a chance, I will take the screenshot from there.
Yeah, you can take.
And also, can you, after the class, can you send us a Excel sheet,
Yeah, sure.
please?
I will.
Yeah.
Okay, X0 and MRP2. There is no difference. Same thing only. MRP3 you can maintain normal details only. Okay, MRP2, 3 nothing, no difference. Strategy
Sorry,
10.
MRP type only X0. You can
Yeah, only X0.
for
Only
the
X0.
planning. Yeah,
Correct.
planning.
Advanced planning.
Yeah.
Only X0. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now you need to select the advanced planning. Okay. Here actually you need to do the some settings like plan explosion. It is called the PDS, production data structure. These are the all different words we will use in APO actually. You need to select this. Okay. And here I told you the heuristics. So you need to select the heuristic, which is a problem solver you can use for planning. Like example, these are the SAP standard heuristics. Like example, planning of standard lots. Okay, different heuristics for different industry purposes. You need to select. These two things are mainly you need to select. And one more thing, planning procedure. So I told you now, if I need to explain all these means, it will take another 20 classes. Okay, I'm not going to details actually. So you need to select this. Okay.
Four.
Okay, 4.
And then propose the strategy is already coming here. It's automatic coming here.
Yeah, it is proposed strategy in MRP3. We maintain 10 make to stock, so automatically it is coming from there.
Okay, this one. Okay.
Okay. So then, so this is only the difference for normal and advanced plan. This tab and details in this tab, and you can work scheduling and everything is same.
Okay, no version or anything?
Yeah, you need to maintain all these master data.
No, the version in MRP.
Yes, you need to maintain.
I see.
You need to maintain. You cannot maintain now. You need to create a BOM and everything.
I see.
Correct? Yeah. Now this material is created. Okay. What is the material number? This is the material number. So now you need to do the planning means you need to create all your master data like BOM. Okay. Normally you will create BOM for this. I am putting some component here like your barley. Barley is there. Okay. Yeah, barley is there something.
You don't have any special setup for the component, I believe.
Yeah, you don't require any special setup.
Okay, thank you.
And save it. BOM is saved. Now work center. Okay, work center example like advanced ADV1. Okay, so here the main difference is this check mark. Remaining everything is normal, same.
So you copy
You
it?
want to use you need to use advanced planning means only you need to put this advanced check mark. Okay, and then default values PP01, remaining everything is same. So this capacity and everything is same, you don't require.
And check mark in capacity.
Yeah,
3 check marks.
yeah. And formulas,
6.
scheduling. Okay, and then you need to create routing. Routing CA01, same material, no difference in the routing also. Normally how you will create the same routing you will create here. And you will maintain setup machine hours. Okay, and save it. So routing is also normal, and finally you will create a production version. So the main setup is changing at material master and work center. So continue, and save it. Save. Okay, this is a master data setup you need to do. In advanced planning, this production version, this is called the actually PDS, production data structures. Okay, this is called the PDS. So you need to transfer this production version from S4 to advanced planning. You need to transfer it. Okay, and your work center in S4 or ECC is called, in advanced planning this is called the resource.
I see.
Okay, the names will change, and material master, it is called as product master. These are the different names we will call in normal system and advanced planning.
This SAP people, they just want to sell their product very quick.
Yeah, correct. Based on the
Every
industry,
time.
they will put different
They
names.
just want to make money this and
Yeah.
create the problem for the others.
Okay. Okay. This is a master data setup actually. Okay.
Yeah.
And as I told you, you need to transfer this PDS to here.
Yeah.
Before that, I need to check whether
DRF out, something like this.
no.
No. No. Different.
Okay. No, whether location is okay. So how to transfer this one is like we need to use one program to transfer actually. No, not this one. That is different location. Okay. To transfer this PDS means production version to this one, we will use another program actually. Production master data. You can see PDS for advanced planning. This is the transaction code we will use to transfer this. Okay. Open this transaction code. So enter your plant material. Before that, give me 1 second. I'm checking other settings are there or not actually. Okay. So open this program, enter material, plant, and select these tick boxes, absolute transfer, and execute. So this is to transfer your production version to advanced planning.
Production version to advanced one.
Yeah.
Production version.
It is still running. So it is transferred successfully, created successfully. Okay. Now, if you want to see that whether this PDS is transferred or not, you have a separate transaction code, master data, and here you can see PDS. You can click this one, display PDS, enter the product number 740300. Correct. Okay. And execute. Now you can see your PDS has come to advanced planning. Okay. Now the scenario running means like first step is you need to create a demand. Create a demand means you will use the MD61 transaction code. You can use this transaction code. Okay. MD61 and you can create some demand for this. Example, like I want to create this for the daily. Actually, I'm just creating something for daily. Okay, some 10, 20, 15, some 12. These are the quantities I want to produce it daily. Example. Okay, and save it. So in normal scenario, you will run the MRP, correct? So here we will run the planning run. I will show you how to run that. Or it is called the planning heuristic. So for this, you can use the transaction code. In advanced planning, open production planning, and here you can use the RRP3 transaction code. Open this RRP3. It is still opening actually. Okay. And you can enter the planning version wherever you see the planning version here, always a 000, always a 000, and you will enter your product 740
30.
300 and press enter. Oh,
Oh, crash. This is crash now.
LCA in your table. Okay, I cannot show.
Yeah. This
There is a actually the in this system, APO system is basically a live cache. This is called the live cache memory. Okay, live cache or live cache it is called. Okay, that is a setup. They have to install live cache and everything, but here that is not installed, means this is error actually. LCA in the DB missing entry. This live cache is not there.
I think you can contact with these people, you know.
No,
They have to fix it, you know.
yeah, that's correct, but I'm not
Someone,
sure whether they will fix it or not.
well,
This is another component they have to install, not the fix.
I see.
They have to install this actually live cache.
So can you tell them why you give us a broken system?
I think you can drop a mail to Mohan,
I see.
because I don't know who is giving the system and everything.
Okay.
Actually, this live cache, it should be there. Then only this will work actually.
Yeah.
Next scenarios will work means scenario run means we should have this one. Okay. So everything is live cache only. Without that, you cannot proceed actually. Okay. So, but this is completely a different module. Okay, it won't cover in 1 day or 1 hour. Okay, all the concepts, how it run and everything, it will take time. Okay, this is in this course actually it is just an introduction, how it looks like, what is advanced planning, and what are the features you can use using this one and stuff. That's all. Okay.
So is that the final step for this?
No, you need to run this heuristic, and then the this heuristic will generate a planned order. This is nothing but your MRP run. Okay. After that, you need to do the capacity planning.
I will send the
Okay.
email to Mohan and we'll see, maybe they can fix it.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. You can send.
Yes.
So this capacity planning, you can,
Mhm.
you will use this. Okay. Like a detailed scheduling. This is the second step. Okay. For that, you will use this is the transaction code. Okay. So these are the process steps we will follow. Okay. So that's all for today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
And I will
Okay,
send
thank you, Mr. Wasu.
Okay. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
I will stop the class for today.
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
if you don't have any questions, maybe tomorrow is the last class for you.
Oh,
Already. Tomorrow we'll talk about which task we will talk.
Yeah, actually,
tomorrow you have an overview of PP.
yeah, over your general discussion kind of thing.
Yeah, there is one task or two tasks, for example, talk about MRP type, for example. You said maybe
Okay.
we'll talk about it. And
Okay.
one of them, how to write FS, maybe. And then what else?
And the other thing is extracting data from the table.
Yes,
And
cockpit maybe.
with real, and also how to create functional specification with real-time example.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I said.
Extracting,
And maybe we'll have a presentation. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, extracting data from the tables.
Okay.
Yeah, extracting data is from the table is important.
You talk about overview does mean how to configure what we should configure in PP. PP.
Sorry.
There is something that's called overview. Like you talk about what we should configure in PP, S4 PP. Because
Overview.
what we were doing like the end user, what they do, they create the data, they run, but we didn't do too much like a SPRO maybe. Sometimes
Okay.
we should
So
go
actually,
configure
what are the important things are whenever I'm teaching, I have shown you the configuration. Okay. But you
Yeah.
want me to, okay, in the class actually like work center formulas are there. Okay. Production scheduling profile is there. These whenever I am explaining you, that time I have shown you the configuration as well.
Yeah.
The configuration PP is not that much. You can also go through each and every item. You can go through. Configuration is not that important. The important data extraction from the table is more important.
Okay. Okay.
No, maybe small presentation about the cockpit, for example, cockpit migration or something like this.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay. Sure.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you. I will try to cover tomorrow. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Vasu,
Okay.
actually,
Thank you.
Nicholas, he wants to hold you longer time. I don't know. Maybe he tried to keep you. Maybe he tried to keep you more close to you. That's why he's trying to not leaving you alone.
Who?
No, Mr.
Nicholas.
Mr. Waldo.
He wants to
No,
hold
I
you.
know. What you did is very good. I'm sorry. Just to give you an idea, high level, very good presentation, Mr. Wasu. Very good class. I appreciate all this effort what you did for the class.
We enjoyed, and the presentation from the beginning up to the end, up till this now, is very excellent. And the way you teach and explain, that's very excellent, presentation. And
Okay. Thank you.
we learn at least about 85%. There are some other things that we not practice. Sometimes the system is broken, or we are busy. We are working too. Now, we work from morning to evening. When we come back,
Yeah,
so
correct.
we have only weekend, so still we are trying to do our best.
Yeah,
Your presentation is fantastic. There is no
yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Waso. I'm sorry I
Yeah,
have to drop because I have another
yeah,
call
yeah,
now.
yeah,
Okay, I
yeah, yeah.
appreciate. Thank you.
We are
Thank you for
closing.
your time.
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
send
Thank
us
you.
the email for